Doing Uber Eats on motorcycle is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can do Uber Eats on motorcycle. So suppose we have two scenarios here. So the first thing is you are new and now you want to start the Uber Eats. You haven't done Uber Eats before and you want to do it on your motorcycle. So for that is you have to be at your Google, and here you have to search for Uber Eats delivery account, and then you have to go to this website which should say become a courier in your country, and then you have to click on get started to create an account. Now, after setting it up, you will easily be able to select in which you want to deliver. Either you want to deliver it on your motorcycle or you want to deliver it in your car. It totally depends upon you. Now, the second case scenario is you are already using Uber Eats and now you are doing it on your bicycle or car, and now you want to change it to motorbike. So, how can you do that as well? In order to do that, you have to be at your Google, and here you have to search for change my vehicle Uber Eats, and then you have to go to this website which should say update or add a vehicle. And after going to this website, you simply have to go to the first, which should say update your vehicle by clicking here. Now, after clicking here, you will easily be able to put the details right here to register your motorbike with Uber Eats. So that's pretty much it. That's all I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.